guys, it's Felicity Joe. Today we're going to do a makeup kids video. So let's get started. Baby foundation. And the foundation is sweet liquid. So now I'm going to put it on the brush because it's really cool when you put it on. It's really dark. It's so nice and sweet. Really nice. So you guys ever thought this it looks really good for your face? Because foundation, I'm gonna make use some Rimmel concealer. So now this is how it does. It's gonna go right here. It's going right here. Now I've done that, guys. I'm gonna use this thing here. And I'm gonna put that on. Dab it out so it doesn't miss me. I haven't washed my hair today, I just had a bath, so my mum's going to wash my hair tonight, probably. Now I'm going to be using Clapton 2000 eyeshadow. Alright, now I'm going to put it on. I got some Essence lipstick on, and it's really glitter. It's got a lot of